Welcome back to another Gale Bears Repairs. Today we're going to fit the tow bar electrics on this 2012 Citroen C3 Picasso. In the last video we fitted the tow bar to this car, so if you want to see that, refer to my previous video. Right, let's get on with it. Right, so I've not fitted tow bar electrics on this car before, so I don't know what to expect. The first job I'm going to do, take off both rear light clusters to expose the wiring. Right, so I think I'm into where I need to be. So if you look at what I've done so far. Right, so here's all my cables soldered in. That's it, all loomed up, all tucked away, neat and tidy. Right, so here's my fail video. I failed on wiring the tow bar electrics on my 2012 Citroen C3 Picasso. It's got a CAN bus on it, and that can cause problems when wiring. So I tried to go old school. I just tapped into the lighting loom in the back, soldered my connections in. When I went to fire it up, the car worked fine with no tow bar plugged in, with no electrics. As soon as I put a trailer board on, I'd do the indicators, they were blinking fast, the brake lights were going, so it caused spurious electrical problems. So nothing's blown, but if you're watching this video to wire tow bar electrics on your Picasso, stop now. You've got to buy the box of tricks. You can't do it old-fashioned. So if you look here, that'll be a link to next week's video of how to properly wire in the tow bar electrics. Right, hopefully I'll see you on that video next week.